Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. This is another day. I'm probably looking like I'm wearing the same thing, but whatever. Working on the car. Don't have to look pretty, right? This is the new subject, the F80 M3. I'm not sure how ambitious we're gonna get with this. I do have to change a whole bunch of fluids on it, and I ordered everything. It's here. We'll just see how much of it we can get done. The plan for the car is oil change for sure. I also have the DCT fluid plus the filter, and then I also have the differential fluid as well. I'll give the name, brand, and weights as well. Another piece of thing that we might try, but I'm not sure, is removing the front lip so I can get the bottom portion painted gloss black. I know it's gonna look sick. And then I also have to repair one of my carbon splitters. I'm not sure what happened. I think the clear coat busted or a rock chip hit it and then it started busting. Either way, we're gonna try to repair the carbon. Shouldn't be a big deal. I'm not sure if all that will get done today, but I'll just keep you guys along, kind of keep you guys going with the progress, and then we'll see how far we get. Ooh, dirty.
Can I see it?
But it's actually not bad, dude. I think it has one bug in there.
You're gonna wash it with water, right?
Well, what I want with this is... You didn't say go.
You said action. Just go.
So I want with the BMC filter cleaner because my filters are actually pretty new. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and...
take like 3 hours long.
So it looks like what it comes with is a detergent for the BMC filter. And then I'm assuming this is a dye. Yep, this is a special fluid. That's why I just pay special money for it in order to turn the filter red again and make it look new. It also comes with 2 nipples. Who doesn't like that?
These nipples?
Alright guys, so first we're going to use this detergent. And we're going to use this... Is my hair going with the wind?
Huh? It looks like
my
it.
hair going with the wind? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Chris, get out of the picture, Chris.
He's not in it.
First, we're gonna start with the BMC detergent. So, can you see my hair moving? Chris, get out of the picture. Guys, now we're just letting it dry, and you can already tell it's like freaking clean as hell. And then we're gonna put the dye, plus I think it's got a little oil base in it, onto it. It's gonna look brand new, fresh, work just like how I bought it. All right, so what size is that? 17, Chris? Yeah. 17, bitch is tight as hell. I don't know. Oh, okay, 17, just got open. This is how you drain the oil, folks. And this is what the dealership charges you $200+ for, because you drive an M3. right, guys, went ahead and going back to stock. I just love the look of stock. No, I'm just kidding. I'm taking off the lip because I'm actually going to paint that gloss black, give it a different look, and then we are going to redo this carbon. So that'll be another video where we repair it. So a little content, and we're going to fix it. While we had everything off, Chris said if you don't clean the car, I'll never touch it again. So I went ahead and we all detailed the bitch out of this engine bay. Look at how clean it looks. My God. All right, guys, so now we got the clean intake filters in, oil change is done, and now we're being ambitious, and we are going to be changing the differential fluid and the dual clutch fluid and the dual clutch filter. So those things should really help with the car's smoothness, and it's about that time in general for the car. So this car will be up to maintenance. Real quick, decided to change the cabin filter. You take off the two 10mm screws there. That gives you access to the panel like that. Then there's a little curved portion under there. There's two T20 bolts. You're gonna remove that, swap the filter, clean air. All right, guys, so diff fluid is very easy. You're literally gonna take off, there's two bolts on the diff pan, one on the top, one on the bottom. Look just like this. One's a drain, one's a fill. First you open up the fill, then you open up drain, let it go. All right, guys, so you just gotta pump the fluid back in. We're using the Schwaben tool, I don't care how you pronounce it, but either way it gets the fluid in from here to the car. Cut. So guys, you gotta remove the tray that's covering the DCT, and then you'll have the DCT accessible, and then we can easily drain the fluid. Well, not easily, but drain the fluid and refill. Alright, guys, so we removed that just to clean the under tray. Now we're actually removing the DCT portion. There's bolts, it's kind of in the way of the downpipes and things like that. It's really hard to get a good angle with this camera, but just know it's this tray right over here we're removing, and then we can finally get access to the drain. Guys, that's where the drain is, and that's where it's going to come out from for the DCT. So guys, that one, so hard to do, but that one right there is the one that we're going to use to fill, just so you guys know. Very easy process, just tough to get to when you don't have quick jacks or lift. So guys, another side note, when you are changing the DCT fluid, you do need ISTA. So I had to call one of my buddies over, he's a master tech. He ran the ISTA program, we ran it through, we filled the fluid to the proper level. So we got out 4.5, put in close to 5, and now we are golden. Diff, trans, engine oil, filter, cabin filter, all changed. Woo. Now the last piece of the puzzle is I'm going to get a new bracket so my AA mid pipe doesn't rub its bracket that's OEM right now, and then we're going to put that on and then put the car back together and we're done. Guys, if you have an AA mid pipe, you need to think about getting this bracket because they'll give you the distance you need so your mid pipe does not rattle or scrape the OEM bracket. Alright guys, so this is the bracket we're taking off and swapping to the new one that Patrick sold me, one of my buddies. And then if you guys take a look at that silver bracket over there, you can see it's almost making contact with my downpipe, so we're going to make a little adjustment so it doesn't touch at all or even have a chance when it's running hard. As you guys can see, this is the difference between the new and the old one. Alright guys, if you made it this long, you guys saw all the work done with my boy, Mr. DIY Crease. Well, it's the next day, who cares? But we got everything done. DCT, differential, oil, cabin filter, engine oil filter, BMC filters, all done, all fixed, car's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, please, will ya? Trying to prove to my wife it's worth it.